Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup headless commerce content with Contentful export backups, full guide step by step clearly. To backup headless commerce content using Contentful export backups, first, log in to your Contentful account. Navigate to the space where your content resides. Once in the space dashboard, locate the Settings tab on the left sidebar. Click on Settings to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select API Keys. In the API Keys section, make sure you have an access token created with enough permissions for exporting content. Next, open your preferred API client or command line tool. Enter the Contentful Management API endpoint URL for exporting data. Format your request to include your space ID and environment ID. Add the access token to the request header for authentication. Submit the request to initiate the export process. Monitor the response for a status indication and the export URLs. If the export is successful, you will receive a link to download a JSON file containing your content. Click on the provided export link to download the backup file locally. Store the JSON backup file in a secure location for future reference. To verify the backup, review the downloaded JSON file for completeness. Regularly schedule backups to ensure your data remains current and secure. Always consult the Contentful documentation for any updates on export functionality. This will ensure you have a reliable backup of your headless commerce content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.